It's been fantastic today. The event has been better than we could have expected. We've had a lot of fresh faces coming along, which is fantastic because it's not just about the members. We're starting to reach out into the general public, and I think we're really starting to make a name for ourselves in Adelaide.
So the event today, the Creation of Living Spaces Masterclass, was lectures and workshops between Peter Cowman, who is the founder of the Living Architecture Center, and also Stuart Muir Wilson, who is very active in his locale within Tasmania about establishing permaculture in urban spaces. And we thought this was a very important conversation and match for people because it's actually very dynamic in terms of what kind of ideas they'd actually put forth today. And it's looking at sustainability not in terms of just how do we grow food or how do we ethically build, but also how do we take upon ourselves and start to create sustainable behavior change in those realms as well. So, but in the future, we'd definitely like to be a little bit more of a do tank instead of just a think tank. We would actually like to encourage projects to come to us so then we can utilize our members that come from so many different arenas of the built environment to come together and put together magnificent projects. And we really hope the Adelaide Sustainable Building Network will also push the conversation of sustainable building, that we start changing our laws and also our codes and get council behind this, because this really needs to happen, and we're hoping it happens in our lifetime as well. So.
Today's event is like a realization of the vision that I've had for the network. Right from the beginning, I had a vision of the network being a place to bring people together, to share information, people that are passionate about sustainability. And so today's event is really an affirmation that that's what people want, and it's really happening. So this is exciting in Adelaide to see this going on, and it's just going to go from strength to strength.
As Brett mentioned before, there's definitely going to be a lot more things going on, and even in terms of community engagement, we're looking for other people to reach out to us, and the only way we can do that is if there's a little bit more of a following, and backed by the success of this event. We're just going to get bigger and stronger, and we're gonna start getting the word out there a lot more.